hurts our performance. Hopefully it's not by much. Right now with these wheels and tires on it now, and they're just regular crappy street tires. My best 60 foot is How's it going, guys? Early in our weight reduction series, we put on stock 17-inch wheels just to see if that would help with acceleration because of the weight. And it did. Now, the only tire size available for a 17 is, I believe, a 275/55, and that is a 28-inch tire, and it just doesn't sit well with these fender wells on this truck. You know, they look real small. Even if it's lowered, I've seen pictures of them. To me, it doesn't look good. I really like the 22s that were on it, but now that we're making some power with our turbo kit on, let's throw those wheels back on and see how much of a difference it makes in our 0 to 60 time and our 1/8 mile time, and also our 60 foot. As of right now, with these wheels and tires on, I can only leave on 1 PSI of boost, and the best 60 foot I've gotten is a 2.4, which is absolute crap. This thing is capable of leaving on 5 to 6 PSI. So I need to make a decision. We're gonna put the 22s on, we're gonna see how much of a difference that it hurts our performance. As you can see, it's a huge difference in size. But we'll see more of the difference once we take off the old ones. Put it right up against. $77.6. $68. So that's roughly about 8.8 pounds, 9 pounds or so, I think. So, if this ends up being significantly slower, guess what, guys? What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make more boost. So, that's the solution. I believe that's the solution to everything. You don't have a 6.0 or 6.2 and you got a 4.8, add more boost. There you go. You got yourself a little 6-liter. I think it just looks so much better. Yeah, we might be slower. Oh well. Who cares? Yeah, wait till the suspension settles. I think that looks way better. All right, well, I'm gonna get the other side done. All right, so in conclusion, yes, wheel weight does matter. I mean, it was only, I can't remember what the numbers were. I'll put it up right here on the screen. It was only a couple pounds. I think it was either 6 pounds on the fronts, 8 pounds on the rear or something, or vice versa. But yes, it does make a difference. So in that sense, and plus, you know, we have a big, heavy truck, so that doesn't help. We're trying to get as much weight as possible off this truck. Right now, we're sitting at 51 and some change. And I don't know if you guys watched the previous videos on the weight reduction. We dropped quite a bit, but then we also added a little bit of weight with the turbo kit. So, yep, weight does matter. We're gonna try and drop a couple more pounds. I think the steel, correct me if I'm wrong, I think the steel rims that I'm about to throw back on here, I think they weigh 38 pounds, so we should drop quite a bit with those other rims. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.